Just going to show you how to create an Adobe story, and this is what you've got to do after you've done your values exercise. So I'll send you the link that'll get you to this page, and I'm already logged in because I've already got an account. So if you just log in, and it'll take you to this page, just press the plus button there and you get slideshow. If you call it my values, click next, pick this one. You have to do this through Chrome, so make sure you've got Chrome. So if I put some text here, so again I'll say my values are, and the other thing you can do is add a photo. And if you click, you can either upload a photo, so you might have some photos actually on your laptop that you want to put on, or you've got this option here, find free photos. You can type in any word, so let's see what it brings up for values. What have we got here? So just pick whichever ones you want from there, which ones you feel you like. I don't know. Don't really like any of them. Let's see. I like that one. Let's try. Oh no, not that one. Don't like any really. I'll change that. There we go. Select that one, and what you can do is you can make it bigger or smaller by pressing on that. So if you want to make it a bit so you can see the picture more, you can do that. Then you move on to your next one and select text again. So my first value was freedom. Again, select a photo. And if I put in there, let's see what it brings up for freedom. Ooh, I like that one. There we go. So I'll do one more, and then obviously I've got more, but I'll continue working on it. So my other one was inspiration. Inspiration. And so if you click on there and photo, see what it brings up for inspiration. Oops. There we go. So I'll carry on doing that for all mine, but just wanted to show you. And then the other thing you can do is add some music. So you go through the ones, listen to them all, see which ones you like. I like this one, Bringing Change. Then what you can do is you can preview. Obviously I'll add to this. Press preview. This is and I'd add to that so there'd be more. And then what you do is once you've done it all, you previewed it and you're happy with it, you can press download. and then you can share it. So if you want to press, I usually put education and create a link. Just working its magic. Making magic takes time. Canvas is never blank, it's full of opportunity. You can see why I like this, can't you? And stories made with spark go further. It's just a nice creative way of getting a message across. So that's my link there. So I can either share it on Facebook, Twitter, email, or embed it. So if you just press copy, that's my link copied. And what I'd like you all to do for this activity is share them on Facebook. I think that would be a really nice thing to do. So we can all see each other's value stories. So you could all share them on Facebook. That would be marvellous. And the other thing I'd like to do is once you've copied the link, it'd be quite nice to have them stored somewhere. So you could maybe email me the link once you've done it, and then I've got copies then of them all as well. So that's your Adobe Stories, and if you could all have a go at that, that would be great.